Welcome to our guide on choosing the best solar panels for Thailand's unique climate. Today, we'll compare monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels, helping you decide which is best suited for your needs in Thailand. Monocrystalline panels are crafted from a single silicon crystal, boasting high efficiency rates between 17% and 22%, and a distinctive sleek black appearance. In contrast, polycrystalline panels are made from multiple silicon fragments, making them more affordable with a speckled blue look and offering efficiency between 15% and 17%. Now let's break down the efficiency and cost implications for solar panels in Thailand. Monocrystalline panels offer higher power output, perfect for limited space, but come with a higher upfront cost, ranging from 25 to 40 baht per watt. Polycrystalline panels provide reliable performance and are more budget-friendly, priced between 18 and 30 baht per watt, ideal for larger installations where cost efficiency is key. Understanding how each panel type performs in Thailand's tropical climate, including degradation rates, is crucial. Monocrystalline panels exhibit a slight efficiency decrease in high temperatures, but generally have a longer lifespan and lower degradation rate of 0.3% to 0.5% annually. Polycrystalline panels are less sensitive to temperature changes, providing stable output under high heat conditions, though their degradation rate is slightly higher, at 0.5% to 0.8% annually. The best choice for you depends on your budget, available space, and specific energy requirements. Thailand's solar energy sector is growing rapidly, driven by advancing technology, increasing affordability, and strong government support for a sustainable future. For more information or to discuss your solar project, please reach out to us. Visit our website at www.solarpanelsthailand.com to learn more about our offerings and services. You can also contact us directly by phone at +66 82704 6939. We look forward to helping you harness the power of the sun.